a no-brainer for me when it comes to choosing onsurety, because I did look up for the different things they provide, and the way, the process, I think, for those companies, how do we proceed with them in terms of insurance claim, and how the entire process basically of it. So I think onsurety was the best or the better choice among all. It was very easy for me to go ahead with onsurety. I did have go through the different softwares and different programs that we are using from the HR point of view. Onsurety was one thing which I did not feel like changing for this financial year, because in my network, the HRs I am connected with, the different companies of HRs I've connected with, onsurety is what people are going ahead with. So I think it's definitely the hype. Medical insurance is one of the major benefits which we communicate to the employees, even for the new recruitment. This is a major benefit for everyone in term when it comes to financial security, or the ease with which they can trust that if in case something goes wrong, there is somewhere they can look up to. The coverage which it has given us, in terms of their parents and their spouse, their children. So the variety of diseases and different things which it covers. So that in terms of that post hospitalization, pre hospitalization, onsurety has played a major role. If anybody is feeling, if they need a checkup from any doctor, or the online telecalling and all of that has helped, most of us, the offers which we have for medicines and all of that. So that has definitely created helped a lot of people for the well-being part. And in terms of engagement, the different sessions, if I need any kind of help in terms of, maybe if we are doing any yoga session or a mental health care, health check, health sessions. So in those cases, as an HR, it's very convincing to me, or very promising to me, that I can reach out to onsurety anytime, and I can get these engagement sessions which will help my people to get more information on a particular topic. Other than that, my people are very much up for the I think the different collaborations which onsurety has with Cult Fit, and different things. So those offers has definitely made them convince them to get certain memberships, and regular gymming, and taking care of their health is definitely a plus. We have different budget which we have set for the employees. The different so we have different ways of how we would want to go ahead with the medical insurance programs. I found out that it was very flexible. We can or we cannot choose parents, and the different the amount, sum insured, and all of that. That has helped us a lot. And then monthly subscription also has in turn helped us. We kind of feel at ease that we are going ahead with monthly subscription, and if something happens, we can reach out to onsurety. And I think also onsurety has, if you go for yearly payments, then you have certain amount off. And so I think it's very much flexible for the companies to choose their own plan. From the admin portal, we have a option of claims tracker, wherein I can always be updated of what claims are raised by my people, and what they need, and where it is, and what kind of help they require further. So I think tracking the claims is one support which onsurety has provided, reducing the manual work first. I think we have a very in detail, in depth responses which we receive from onsurety, that why a certain claim was approved or even rejected. So that makes sure at the end of the day that it is a fair assessment. And in detail, in-depth data was provided to us by OnSurety at the end of our, session during the end of financial year, and that helped us, understand our own, the needs of the company. So that helped us dive deep into this and analyze all of that, and bring us come helped us come up with a, package or things that would suit our company the most. So I think that helped us a lot in terms of the data provided by the OnSurety. Accuracy was definitely there. I do keep on cross-checking different things, the data provided. So it's always up to date. So yes, definitely reliable and accurate. As and when I require any kind of help, if there is any person who's reaching out to me, I can directly reach out to the POC which have been provided to me, and the support which I receive from OnSurety has been amazing. Any emergency case, I've got a response. If we have a certain name change, date of birth change, whatever, we have received the response immediately. In mails, not more than 24 hours is something I am aware of. I can always guarantee that. So the efficiency and the response rate has been amazing. I think OnSurety is doing a great job, because and most of the companies are going ahead with OnSurety, at least as of what I know in the in my HR friends and colleagues.